Alright guys, got a 2007 Lexus GX 470 V8. This is stock before. Go ahead. You can barely hear it. Sound decibels. At 81. So we're gonna take off the muffler and put a Borla ProXS in its place. So let you guys hear it when we're finished. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, this is the 2007 Lexus. Showed you guys what it sounded like before. So I'm just gonna show you how it's set up underneath. Factory converters there. Wise to a single there. There's a stock muffler. I'm gonna take that off. Put the Borla in its place. Borla ProXS, part number 40357. And then he chopped off the rear resonator. We'll see if he wants to do a tip or anything, or we might just run it out and do a turn down or something. So I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys, we got an off-road beast, 2007 Lexus GX 470, fully lifted and everything ready for off-road. He doesn't do a lot of off-roading. All right, but let me show you guys what we've done to it. So, it's low. Factory converters there and there, 4 of them. Then it wisened to a single there. Then what we installed is a Borla ProXS. He's been watching our videos for about 4 years now. And he watched this before he even got the car. And he's like, when I get that Lexus, I'm going to come back to. And he thought we were out of New York or California, but we were local to him in Nashville, Tennessee. So he brought it down right away when he bought it. Here's the part number on it, 40357, right there. That's the beautiful Borla ProXS. Then he told us just cut it off, put a hanger on it, because he's going to take it off-road. He doesn't want anything to get in the way of it. So I said, we got you. That's what he did. He didn't want a tailpipe or anything, because it always gets on the trails and stuff, gets stuck. There it is right there, as you guys can see, on a Lexus GX 470. And then there's the muffler that was on it that we swapped out. Check it out. That's not crazy loud. Got a manifold leak.
I know.
Okay. All of them do it too, man. It sucks. Ah, that's clean. Yeah, that's a clean deep tone. Again? That's clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 96. Again? That sounds good. It's a good looking Lexus too. Go ahead and back it out. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, in Nashville, man, the car scene is growing a lot. There it is. Very good looking car. I like it. It sounds good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. So this one's got a beautiful Borla ProXS on it. It's off-road ready. Really good looking Lexus GX 470. Not crazy loud, just clean. He wanted it clean. He didn't want it too loud. That's why we did the Borla ProXS on it. Enjoy, guys.